Insert the TimberSteel hip-to-ridge transition cap by aligning the hemmed corners of the transition cap with the center line of each hip. Mark where the two hips meet on the back of the shingle and cut from the pre-cut triangle down to that mark. Bend the transition cap from the corners to the center mark. Then add strips of butyl tape approximately 1 inch from each side. Remove the tape's release paper and place the transition cap over the cap shingles on the peak of the roof. Secure it with 4 hand-driven 3-inch ring shank nails, 2 on each side and as high up on the transition cap as possible. Next, line the first piece of TimberSteel ridge vent even with the top of the transition cap and hand nail in place with the included 3-inch ring shank nails. To install a TimberSteel hip and ridge cap shingle clip, start by folding it closed and bending to conform to the ridge. Hand nail it in place overhanging the edge of the ridge vent by 1/4 inch with 4 3-inch ring shank nails, 2 on each side. Lock the first cap shingle into place by engaging the hem onto the hip and ridge cap shingle clip. Hand nail the cap shingle in place with the included TimberSteel 3-inch ring shank nails, 1 per side.